Hey guys, welcome back to another video. First of all, I want to say a major shout out to all of you guys. Thank you guys so much for the amazing feedback on the wheels, on Instagram, on TikTok, if you haven't followed me on any of those, bro, BeDistinct_, what are you doing? Second of all, today we are going to be installing, based on the title of the video, of course, we're gonna be installing our second honeycomb carbon fiber PCO blessed by Easy Splitters. So Easy Splitters, if you're watching this, bro, we need more honeycomb carbon fiber parts, bro. And if you want to sponsor me, shoot, bro, say less, bro. For real though, we need more honeycomb front splitter, side splitter, maybe custom order. But on a serious note, guys, Easy Splitters sent us the honeycomb carbon fiber mirror covers that nobody else did. They brought it out first. I couldn't find it anywhere. They brought it for the 370, they brought it for the G30s, but they didn't bring it for the G35. Finally they did. We gotta install them. They're gonna look so sexy. Let's go grab them. Let me go show you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, by the way, if you haven't already. You're late, bro. What the hell? Let's go get those mirror covers. I also don't like doing videos like during the week because I'm busy with work, and when I come home the sun is already down, so I gotta do everything during the darkness. But you guys are still here supporting the channel, so I thank you guys so much. But here's the box. Here's the box, little unboxing. The other one is in the garage because I freaking took it out. But look at this, homie. Holy crap, this looks so good. For those of you guys who are new to the channel, my AMS vented hood, you know how it has honeycomb vented, carbon fiber? I did that myself. I literally did the whole process, putting the carbon fiber fabric, the resin, the whole process. So when I see products like this, the honeycomb, and it looks so damn good, so damn clean, all these precision cuts, everything, I literally appreciate it so much more just because I know how difficult it is to make that. And dude, these are hella good. Look at that. Oh my god, we gotta install them right now. They're gonna look so good. For those of you guys who are interested, I do have the carbon fiber mirror caps, but unfortunately I already sold it. I already sold my wheels too, so I didn't even get to post them. Like literally they already sold. So damn, look how the wheels shine, bro. It's in the darkness. Dude, that's so sick. Look at that. But yeah, these are the honeycomb I was talking about. I did that myself, bro. It's so hard to do, but damn, look at that. Is deep. Oh my god. If you haven't checked out the wheel video already, it's the video previous to this. I'll probably put an eye right here if you want to check it out, or link in the description. Bro, oh my god, dude, I was so happy. Let's just say that I was so happy. It looks freaking good. Okay. Now these are the carbon fiber mirror caps that I currently have on. Now based off that has double-sided tape, so I'm assuming this is just held by double-sided tape. I don't want to break it or anything, so we'll see how we have to take this off. But I'm not sure if these are a bit more secure, because if you look at the bottom, these actually have the, oh, did I scratch that? These actually have the bottom too. Look at this. Literally, you can just slap this back on. Oh my god, that's gonna look so good. All right, we gotta find out how to take off this crap. Small little update. I had to take off this little panel here on the side where the freaking speaker goes, so I can actually take off the bolts here on the side so that I can fully remove this mirror right here. Once we remove this mirror, then we can go ahead and unbolt it from the bottom, and then we can take off this mirror cap. But look how it's secured, bro. Like, it's got the bottom and it's got just a hole. Like, this thing's really secure, bro. Like, if y'all want secure ones, bro, high security, carbon craft, bro. But anyways, we don't want those no more, bro. We want these. Now they gave me a bunch of 3M tape. I want to be super secure, so I split it in half and halfsies, and I filled this whole thing with 3M tape, bro. This thing not gonna go anywhere. All right, we got our thing. Look, it's almost transparent. You could see it, but you know, it's transparent. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we are officially done. Look at that. Now we got honeycomb carbon fiber trunk, brand new installed honeycomb carbon fiber mirror caps, honeycomb carbon fiber vents, Easy Splitters. If you're listening, once again, honeycomb carbon fiber freaking vent right here. Maybe the bordered one, not this one, but just the one with the border. Or maybe honeycomb carbon fiber splitter, bro. Honeycomb carbon fiber splitter, bro. I ain't no genius, man, but it could be an idea. It could be an idea, man. I think the people would want it. By people, I mean me. I want it. But man, dude, the car looks so good now. It looks exactly the same. You can't even tell. But I mean, we all know. We all know. Oh my God, look at that. It looks super good. Alright, y'all, well, that's gonna be the end of this video. Very short. They were only mirror cats, but I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to bring you guys a video this week. I know I'm super busy with work and it's just late at night, but I wanted to bring you guys this video with the honeycomb carbon fiber. And once again, easy scooters, if you're watching this, bro, more honeycomb fiber parts, bro, you already know. And we need to find our next purchase, man. I'm thinking either the plenum spacer or that manifold velocity. I want to get that velocity kinetics manifold, the silver one. Either that, and then that's it, man. Everything else that I would need, like injectors, spark plugs, fuel pump, all that stuff, I feel like that will all come in a kit with the supercharger, you know? So I think that's the final step, y'all. The final step. Pretty crazy, huh? I think that's it, yo. That's it. We just need that manifold, maybe a bigger throttle body. That's about it, man. And then we send the letter out to Vortex, see if they can give us a sponsorship, man. Cross my fingers. Thanks to you guys and all the support, obviously. Thank you guys so much for the support. I appreciate all of you guys. Catch you guys this weekend. I need to install my brake pad still, so we're gonna bring you guys a video on that. So I got you guys this weekend. Thank you guys for supporting the channel and support. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all that stuff. I'll catch you guys next video. Peace out.